Okay guys, so the house is officially ours. Yeah, so we just closed today and we came here to change the front door doorknob just so there's a different key for the time being, but we are eventually going to be in the next few weeks replacing all the exterior doors, so it'll get like a whole new makeover anyway. We did do a rehab mortgage on this one, so a lot of work's gonna be done. It was a foreclosure, but let me show you. We're gonna walk in from the garage. So this is the garage. 2-car garage, nice workbench. So this is the basement level. This was finished at one point, like this was a bathroom, this was a living room, and down there was a bedroom, but they tore it all back down to the studs before they left. Go to the front door. Nick's replacing the doorknob. Oh. So you walk up, and it automatically goes to like the kitchen dining room. So we're salvaging the cabinets, but we're gonna reface them, all new shaker style doors, painting them all probably like a dove white kind of color. And we're also, it's hardwood floors throughout the whole house, but we are refinishing them back to their normal color instead of this kind of like cherry, very red color. Lighting fixtures will be replaced. You can see they got pretty mad before they left. So there's a bunch of holes in the wall. Those will all be patched and everything will be repainted. This is the living room. And then we have, this is the spare bathroom. It's just a traditional like sink, toilet, tub, and shower combo, but we're not gonna go in there right now because there's no toilets. So we had to just try and plug like the hole in the floor where the toilet goes for now because we don't want like septic tank gases coming up, and we just kept the door shut to make sure that nothing got out. We have the first spare bedroom, really good closet. And like what's nice is that this lot's like really private. Like that's our driveway. You can't even see the street. And then we've got the second spare bedroom. Once again, holes in the wall, broken window, all of it's being replaced. Good sized closet. So this is kind of like what the floors are going to be after we refinish them. You can see that they didn't really put the stain in here for some reason. So there's a very obvious difference. Like that's really red and this is not, but this is the color that we really like. We're just gonna bring it back down to this and like clear coat everything. I don't wanna know what's on the wall over there. We're gonna be scrubbing everything. But another view of the kitchen. And then over here is kind of like the formal dining, formal living type area with a nice big coat closet. And then that leads to the master suite. But eventually we want to take this wall down and bring the door to the master to here. And all of this will be master. And then this closet will get bumped out to the window and it will become a walk-in. And then when we do that, right now this is the master. But when we extend it, these two closets will go and the bathroom door will come out to here. But that'll probably be a couple years down the line. So pretty good sized closets. And then this is the master bathroom right now. You can see where the toilet is supposed to be. All that's being ripped out and replaced. Traditional tub shower. There's already a dog kennel in the back because you guys know I'm getting a dog. I have to have a dog in my house. So we come back out here and there's actually a third floor. It's probably gonna be pretty dark up here. When they built the house, they deemed that this was a walk-up attic. And then they started finishing it. So we're not gonna touch it for right now. This will probably be a couple years down the road, but this is what they started finishing. Right now it'll kind of probably be storage for us. We might, within the first year or two, just finish this room because it's already halfway there. Just for kind of like a hangout. Like if Nick has the guys over or something. And then this is the whole other half of the upstairs. That window's being replaced because it's broken. The whole bottom half is missing. But eventually we'll probably do like bedroom, bathroom, little loft area, and another bedroom. But that's like way down the line. So that is the first day doing any kind of anything to this house. Kind of the before walkthrough. I'm gonna be kind of taking you guys along the process with us, and just for kind of, you know, for memories for us, but also just to document. And I love this stuff. I love interior design and just designing in general. So it's gonna be a lot of work, but we're super excited and we think it's a really good investment long-term. So here we are. I haven't decided yet. You might be currently watching this on a second channel that I decide to start solely for this project, instead of uploading it to my main channel, because I know my main channel is kind of more about my music and I don't want to distract too much from that. So this might end up being on a second channel. Show you a little bit of the backyard. So that's the backyard. All that overgrown brush is going to go. This tree is probably going to go because it's going to get massive and we don't want that. These two trees are going to go because they dropped those stupid, like, I don't know if you could be able to see it, but like, see those like, that like green bean thing? Like those stupid little green bean things that hang off of them. They are all over my driveway and it's horrible. So, and right now those trees are kind of like creating a highway for rodents to get into the house. So this tree took itself down a couple weeks ago in a storm that we had. So I guess that's helpful. It took care of itself for us. We'll get to the yard eventually as the weather gets a little bit nicer over these next few months, but right now we're focusing on, you know, where we're actually gonna live. So I'm excited to take you guys on this ride with us and see how everything unfolds with us. I'll be documenting the whole process, and tonight we're just gonna start demoing the kitchen, take the countertops off, take the doors off. We have to like really scrub the cabinets, like probably like bleach type scrub. I'm pretty sure there's probably like 10-year-old Pop-Tarts. Maybe not that old because the house was only empty for like a year, but there's some gross old stuff in the cabinets, I think. So we're gonna clean all that out. And we're going to just start cleaning in general. As you can see, I have a lot of precarious things to clean off of my walls. That is the worst one. I don't want to know what it is. And I think over here, I do believe they tossed raw eggs onto the wall. So things like that have to be cleaned up. And then we'll patch the holes and reprime and repaint everything. So you won't even know that it was like this, hopefully. But I'll check in later. We gotta get to work.